Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to complete the lab in the IU9. First, we open the LMS and look at the IU9 Lab or assignment 7 instruction. Okay, this is the instruction. You can download the PDF or you can just browse from here. Okay, basically this assignment is going to create a dashboard that contains the visual from the PowerBI report. Consists of 3 things: the profit by date, profit by country, and then the sales by product and segment. So this step started with the data preparation, which is downloading the financial Excel file. Okay, the first step is to prepare data in Excel, which is we're going to skip because our data is already been prepared and ready for us to use. Yeah, then upload file to Power BI. So in the previous lesson I have already explained to you how to download the financial sample data, this one, yeah, and then also download the report template. Okay, so I download the and yep, download it already. We can open from the download folder the document. Okay, there you go. Okay, yep, so we're going to create something like this. Okay, which is in the dashboard. Yeah. Okay, download the financials Excel, the dataset, and this one. Yeah, this is the financial sample dataset. You download, and then upload to Power BI services. Open your workspace and get data file, local file, then a financial sample. Okay, I have done that. Yeah, so I just cancel. Then I go to my workspace, which is here already. Yeah, the dataset. So we're going to create a report. You can use click triple dot to create a report. Yeah, or you can also create a new report. Yeah, then choose your dataset that you would like to use it. Yeah, financial sample. Okay, so Ryan, yeah, okay, this one, yeah, create. Or easier is directly go to workspace, then after that just select the dataset. Do not click, yeah, but click this triple dot, then after that create a report. Okay, and now you are ready. You have this. So the report that we would like to create is first, yeah, this profit by date, yeah, column chart, and then map profit by country and sales by product and segment, the stack column chart. Okay, so I will create the layout first. This is a 3 report, yeah? Then we're going to populate. So the cluster column is this. Okay, so more or less is like this, and then stack column chart, yeah, which is this. So I arrange like this, yeah. and then next is a map. Okay, so it's good to have the layout created first, then later we can just populate. Okay? And then for the cosmetic, then maybe you would like to make this tree report the background and the okay, the background is on, yeah, and yeah. Okay, so we need to populate it. Yeah. Okay, according to the instructions, then we would like to format the first using the COGS and country. Sorry, not COGS country, but the profit, and then by date. Yeah, so axis is the date, and then profit. Okay, and then look at this is the month and a year. Okay, so first we will drag the profit into the value, and then the date into the axis. Okay, aggregation is sum. Yeah, okay, let's do it. So in this first chart, column chart, we're going to drag the profit as a value. This one is a cluster column chart, yeah, in the field. Yeah. So profit as a value and the date in the axis. Okay, here you go. So we have the year and month, and then the profit by date. Okay, and after that we would like to populate the map, yeah, which is profit by country. So country in the location, and then profit in a size. Okay, yeah, so more or less it's like that. Okay, yeah, profit by date, and if you like, you would put some label here. Yeah, data label is on, and then just now I put the border shadow, yeah, and then yeah, so here you go. Oh, sorry, this one is a border shadow. Yep, after that data label on, yeah, you put this value if you want, or if you off it. Okay, following the sample, we don't display that. Yeah. Okay, and then after that we finish the first and second visual. Okay, yeah, so the aggregation is sum, yeah, the profit. Yeah, you must check that one. The profit aggregation should be sum. Okay, and then create a map, yeah, country, profit. Okay, now we would like to continue with the last one, visual showing sales. So sales product segment in the field, stack column chart. Yeah, okay, let's see here, axis product, legend segment, and then a sales. Yeah, product segment sales. Okay, so product, and then a segment, and then a sales. Okay, yeah, so looks like this, and you may want to format the shadow border, yeah, make it on, yeah, make it nicer, and You can also show the data label if you want here in this visual. So we have this the value display. Oh, the sample is no, no need. Okay, this one is percentage. You see, this is million, and in the sample is a million too. So we would like to change the display like this, into the summary of the this chart. It should be the second one, this. Okay, then I show you the amount. Okay, don't forget to save the report. So I save it, then I name the IU9 report. Okay, so save it. Okay, then you can open again in the editor. Okay, we are ready to publish this to the dashboard. So once you already create it, we're going to format profit by date, the title, and then sales product by segment. Okay, profit by date. So text size is 16 point, shadow on. This one in the title, increase the font size. Okay, profit by date. Shadow already on. And then search by product and segment, then title 16 point, shadow on, and then this one, shadow on. I also put the border on extra. And then profit by country, also theme grayscale. In the map style, change them to the grayscale. Title 16 point, shadow on. Okay. In the dim, map style. Okay. So in the format map style, we're going to change to the grayscale. This one. Okay, and then after that the title is 16 point as well. Okay, that's the cosmetic. Okay, then a pin to the dashboard. Don't forget to save again the report after you make some changes. Okay, then after that publish pin. Save to the financial sample dashboard. Delete this one. Then share the link. Okay, so here I click, then after that pin to the dashboard. Okay, and you're going to choose the existing one, financial sample dashboard pin, and then you pin also this one. Okay, go to the existing dashboard, financial sample, and this one as well, pin. Okay, done already. Go to the dashboard, then you have this you want to arrange. So this you can rearrange like this. Then this one we remove, we don't need this. Then this one we move like this. Oops, sorry. Back to the dashboard, final sample dashboard. Okay, we're going to move this like this. Then we want to rearrange. Okay, looks like nicer like this. Then you want to share, okay, with t_ryan@litten.com, then grant the access. Yeah. Okay, that's to share and publish. Yes, publish and share. After that, I will receive this sharing. Yeah. Then share to Microsoft Teams. There is this one as well. Can we see? I don't think so. Yeah. Chat in the Teams. Yeah. There is a chat in the Teams. Yeah. Chat in the Teams. Then you can bring up then t_ryan at litten.com. Okay, then you share this. Yeah. After that, the recipient will receive this link. Okay, I think we can skip this. And now we screenshot this. Then put into the report template just now. This one. Okay, so replace with your own, and then save as. Okay, then put the IU9 Lab TQV0222A Ryan. Save it. Yeah. Then after that, you can upload to LMS. Once finished, go to the LMS here. After that, upload your assignment. Okay, this document, then upload, submit. Okay, done. Yeah. So that's how to complete the IU9 Lab. Okay, thank you for watching.